I am scamming you. We always think that GATE is the way, JEE is the way, or UPSC or ESE, these are those, but these are the most difficult ways. I have cracked GATE with AIR-31. What has happened to me? If I tell someone that I have cracked GATE with AIR-31 in 2023, people will be like, okay, so what? Feeling a void. I want to resign from this place. So boring, my brain is going down. Just don't jump into GATE or any other thing because everyone is doing it. So the objective and purpose of this video was not to scare you or was not to threaten you. I'm not telling you that if you have already tried for 3 or 4 attempts, you should not attempt for GATE again. That's totally up to you and there is nothing wrong with that. Those of you who are going to appear for GATE 2025, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to threaten you. Stay calm, stay confident, and always keep in mind that you are far, far, far above than any exam. No exam can judge you. No exam can decide your future. I am telling in my YouTube channel in front of you that I am scamming you. So for this video, I haven't prepared any script or any other video. Generally, I at least think that okay, these are the points that I will tell. But in this video, I will speak purely from my heart without any planning in my head. There are emotions that I need to convey to you. There are some practical facts. So in one of my previous videos, there was a comment which was like this. So this comment is written in English, but the language is Bengali, like how we chat in WhatsApp. So it says that Dada, that means elder brother in Bengali, Dada has cracked a very good rank in WBJE and thus he has got into JU, one of the top colleges in West Bengal. So he was already a topper. For him, it was very easy to grab the concepts of mechanical engineering. But for us who are not able to grab the concept, even after going to any good coaching, I mean, we know that what is going with that. That is why I hate the coaching centers. Consider a student who is getting 30 out of 100 in his or her first attempt in GATE. Consider another student who is getting 40 out of 100 in the next year. So I'm talking about two separate students, but if I'm talking about the same student who is getting 30, 40, 50 in the consecutive 3 years. So then you can argue with me, okay, he is improving. But really? I mean, in 3 years, you are studying the same subject for GATE and you have given your 3 years. This is not a joke. But after that also, if you go to the same coaching center, they will say you, "Arey beta, kya hi jata hai? Aur ek saal kar rahe ho, tum to improvement to tum kar rahe ho. You are doing that improvement. So go for it for another year. And this time, we will give you a 50% discount." And you are like, okay, that is something interesting. That is something that I should go for. It is a 50% discount. I mean, this is the biggest scam with your life. There are very few teachers. They will tell you that, okay, you try it. You try it for just 1 year. Then if you fail, okay, you analyze your mistakes. Then you try it for the second year. But then if you fail, then you have to really think, should I try for 1 more year or not? So if in another example, the first student is getting 30 in his or her first attempt, then in the second attempt, he is getting 55. Okay, so then from 30 to 55, then this is a considerable improvement because with a score of 55, you can get a IIT. You can get any of the good IITs. Okay, not for the top branches, but you can get it. But in the third year, if you are going from 55 to 60 only, then I don't think that you should attend for another year. But if you are like 55 se tumhara 75 ho gaya, so 75 is a very good. So you can get PSUs. Coaching centers are doing such crimes. They are causing not only GATE, but we all know that, I mean, what is happening with JEE. In this video, I have not planned any tricks and tips to how to judge or how to analyze that if I am fit for GATE or not. This is pure emotion. I don't want to see such kinds of and all. So previously, I was having a talk with a second year B.Tech student in IIT Kharagpur. So I have my TA duty, teaching assistantship for the course of fluid mechanics for a B.Tech second year batch. So he was not attending the classes. I asked him that why are you not attending the classes, because attendance is very important in IITs. So he was telling me that भैया मुझे थोड़ा depression आ रहा था, थोड़ा मेरा mental issues. So then I was like, okay, that is something very serious. Then he told me that this started when I joined Kota for my JEE preparation. So this is what is happening. Believe me, the world has infinite opportunities for you. You have to find it. Nowhere it is written that you have to get a job within an age of 21 to 3 or 24. Yes, if you are financially challenged, if your financial condition in your family is not good, then you have to do any job, even if you don't like it. But if your financial condition is not that, so don't jump into anything like it. Just for proving someone. So I have cracked it with AIR-31. What has happened to me? I am doing my M.Tech in IIT Kharagpur. Maybe after some 3-4 years, if I tell someone that I have cracked it with AIR-31 in 2023, people will be like, okay, so what? So what? No one needs you. If you haven't done anything else other than, cracking it with AIR-31. Even after joining PSUs, people are like, I am feeling a void. I want to resign from this PSU. Why? Because I thought that this PSU will settle my life. It has settled my life, but it has unsettled my mind. It is so boring, my brain is going down. So you should analyze the things statistically. So why I am telling all these things, if you are a viewer in my channel, so then what are you asking from me? That give us some good sources, good free sources that I am already giving you. Give us some good tricks and tips which can help in our GATE preparation. That is maybe how to focus, how to make a good timetable, how to study, and all those tricks and tips. That also I am giving to you. But I am begging you that if you are someone you are not like a very good academic achiever, you are a below average student in academics. Now mind my words that I am not belittling you. Academics is not all the things in this world. There are so many people who has dropped out from their college, who did not have their so-called very high-fi education. So Thomas Alva Edison is one of those great personalities. Okay, so he barely had any cooling, but we all know that who he is. So Einstein has said that if you judge a fish, or if a fish judges itself by the capability of its climbing in tree or flying, then it will always find itself stupid. So there are so many paths to get successful, but we always think that GATE is the way, or JEE is the way, or UPSC or ESE, these are those, but these are the most difficult ways. For me, I really loved mechanical engineering, so it was actually easy for me. Try to understand. So please understand. Those who are attempting now GATE 2025, I am not demotivating you. Please attempt that, or I should say that you should not see this video. You are not someone who should see this video. I always make videos for those who are attempting the GATE in the next year, but for this video especially, it is for all of you. But who are trying to attempt the GATE in 2025, go and attempt the GATE with your best part. But if you have analyzed and if you have thought that, okay, my background does not tell me that I am someone very good with academics. Okay, so then my friend, please analyze this. Okay, please analyze this. So my point is, please, if you are in your first year of your college, then you have a lot of time, no pressure with you. I don't know if you are having any challenges like the financial challenge or any other challenge, but if you are not having that, please analyze that what are your strengths, what is that you are good at. Okay, just don't jump into GATE or any other thing because everyone is choosing the hardest part and not the easiest part. I have also done many mistakes. So I think that this video I am ending with not with a very formal or fashionable manner that go to this video. So I will end with saying this, that please analyze your strengths and things. And whatever I tell you, that go for these sources, go for these tricks and tips for consistency and all these things, those will be applicable to you if you are someone who is fit for GATE. Or I should say that if GATE is fit for you, GATE is not larger than you. Any exam cannot be larger than. So if GATE is fit for you, then my channel is fit for you. If not, then my friend, you should unsubscribe my channel and unsubscribe from all GATE channels. Yes, I want subscribers, I want views, I want to generate money from this channel, but not at the sake of your life, not at the sake of your happiness. So with this, I am ending this video, and from the next video onwards, it will be like the previous things. I will be helping with your get judged. So I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself.